Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You already have Business Manager and a page. Now start the campaign creation. Choose a clear objective, conversions if you track purchases, traffic for clicks. Once chosen, set your daily or lifetime budget and schedule so Facebook can optimize. Make sure your pixel is installed and firing. Without it, you'll lose conversion optimization. Select broad target locations and languages to gather data quickly. Then save and continue to build your audience and creative assets for testing. Now you refine who sees the ads and what they see. Create a custom audience from recent website visitors or a customer list, then make a 1% 5% lookalike to scale. Select placements, automatic to start, then narrow later. Optimize for the right event and pick a bidding approach that matches your goal. You should build multiple creatives, short video, single image, and different headlines, so Facebook can test combinations and find the best performer quickly. After launch, watch results closely for the first 48-72 hours to let learning stabilize. Focus on CTR, CPC, and CPA. If an ad underperforms, pause it and reallocate budget to winners. Scale winners by increasing budget 10%, 20% every few days to avoid reset. If performance stalls, make sure the pixel is sending events, check for disapproved ads or audience overlap, and test fresh creative. A single troubleshooting tip: verify pixel diagnostics first. Most issues trace back there.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.